Englund Gambit, bishop sacrifice. White opens with the d-pawn, and black immediately strikes back with a 5, offering a free pawn. White takes it, thinking it's an easy win. Black plays bishop c5, and white develops knight f3. Black offers another pawn on d7. White accepts, and now black plays knight to e7. When white takes the knight, black has bishop f2, check winning the queen. With e4 d5 Scandinavian defense. Instead of taking on d5, white play knight f3. Black simply takes the pawn. White play knight e5 and black pushes f6. White gives a check and black blocks with g6. Now we ignore our queen and play bishop c4. Most beginners take the queen and blunders bishop f7, checkmate. White starts with e4, black plays e5, and then immediately white plays queen to h5. Usually beginners just ignore it and keep moving their own pieces. Next, white brings their bishop out to c4. Look at the board right now. Both the white queen and the bishop are laser focused on f7 next to black's king. Beginners mostly ignore this and play a random move, especially in bullet. Queen takes pawn on f7. That is a flash checkmate in just 4 moves. It starts with the queen's gambit, d4, d5, white plays c4. But instead of defending, black plays the Alban counter gambit with e5, white takes the free pawn, and black pushes down to d4. White gets annoyed and plays e3 to kick our pawn. Black plays bishop b4 check. White blocks with the bishop, and now we ignore the bishop and play d takes e3. White grabs our free bishop. Big mistake. Black plays e takes f2 check. The white king can't take the pawn because he'd lose his queen, so the king is forced to step up to e2. Now we take the knight and under-promote to a knight. The knight check forces white's king to move, or rook takes knight, and white's position completely collapses. It starts with the Italian game, e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, bishop c4. But right here, you move your knight a second time to d4. White sees your blunder and instantly snaps up your free pawn. You slide your queen out to g5, attacking white's knight and their unprotected g2 pawn. White plays knight takes f7 anyway, forking queen and rook. Black simply takes the g2 pawn. White saves the rook, and you play queen takes a 4 check. White blocks with the bishop, and now knight f3 checkmate.